Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a cute mouse. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start up here at the top of the page, and we're going to start by drawing the mouse's hair, the top of the head and the hair on top of the head. So right here, we're going to do a little curved line, and then pause, and then do a fur line like that, and a fur line like that. And then we're going to continue the curved top of the head like that. And now let's do the ears. So starting right here where we ended off, just a little bit in, we're going to do a big oval or circle shape, but that doesn't finish, doesn't complete its shape. It's just kind of an O without finishing it. So we go around, and then we're going to stop right about there. And let's go back up here where we started and do the other ear. So we're going to go up like this and around and over. And then let's stop right about there. Okay, now a little bit in here, we're going to do the side of the head. So starting right about here, leaving a little space, we're going to do the side of the mouse's head here down, and it curves and it stops right about there. And now we're going to do the other side of the mouse's head. So starting right about here, leaving a space, we're going to go down, and we're going to hook it back around, and then we're going to end and stop right about there. Okay, now we're going to do some lines for the inside of the ear shape. So starting right here, it's just a curved line up, and then it stops like that. And let's do the same on this side. So it's a curved line up, and it gives some shape to the ear, some volume. Okay, now let's do the face, and then we'll do the body and the cheese. So starting right about here inside the head shape, we're going to do one of the eyes, and it's just a circle like this. And then we'll do another one right here. And let's do some smaller circles inside of those circles for the highlights, and then maybe we'll even do a even smaller circle. We'll do a double highlight for this one. And then let's color it in black. All right, let's do the nose and the mouth here. So right between the two eyes, we're going to do, it's kind of like an oval, but then it has a point, and we'll color it in black like that. Let's do the mouth. It's got a cute little muzzle, and a little side of the cheek line, and then one up like that, and a little side of the cheek line like that. Okay, let's give him eyebrows. So above the eye, we're just going to do a little line like that, and a little line like that. And no mouse is complete without whiskers, so we'll do the whiskers on the side of the head. So starting in from the side of the head here, we're just going to do two curved lines on either side. 1, 2, and then we're going to do the same over here. 1, 2, like that. Okay, it's starting to look like a mouse now. Let's do the body. So starting here at the bottom of the head, we're going to do the back of the body of the mouse. So this kind of goes down, and then it curves back in like that. And then we'll do the hind leg, and this is just sort of a hooking line. So it starts here, and then it hooks back around like that. And then we'll add a couple little toe lines, and let's do the other part of the leg here like this, and we'll stop right about there. And now let's do the belly, and the belly, well, off of this toe here, we're going to do just a curved line up like this. And then the other foot, the other back foot, starting here in the belly, we're just going to do a line that hooks around, and then we'll do another curved line that intersects it like that. And let's draw those toes on this one like that. Okay, now let's do the cheese. So it's first we'll do the arm holding the cheese, or the hand holding the cheese. So starting right here, down from the bottom of this headline, let's just do a curved line like this for one of the arms. And then we'll do little fingers. And then off of that, we're going to draw the cheese shape around. So starting right here, let's go up. And we'll make it kind of like a soft triangle. A little bit, not a perfect triangle. It's kind of an organic shape. So, and we'll have it curved. Let's leave a little gap for the other hand. Actually, let's just draw the other hand. So it'll just be kind of like an oval like that. And then we'll do two little finger lines there. And then pretending the cheese is behind the hand, we'll continue that line down. And we'll curve it. And then wrap it around. And we'll come back up here. And let's draw complete the hind leg line here, just a little curve like that. Okay, now this is like Swiss cheese, so let's draw some holes in it. So just some holes, kind of circles wherever you want for the Swiss cheese. Maybe there's one like this, or a smaller one here. Maybe one up like this. Maybe a small one like that. Maybe one there like that. Okay, and lastly, let's do the tail. So this is just going to be a big S-shaped line starting here on the back of the mouse's body. And we're going to go up and around. And then we're going to taper it so it's smaller there, and then it gets thicker as it gets closer back to the body. Like this. Like that.
I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in.
I'm going to make mine kind of a light brown mouse, but you can make your mouse any color you want. Let's make the inside of the ears pink, and we'll make the cheese yellow.
Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.